Bor Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kasamla Riya Suting, Kepala Jopong Yakapan Singat Hakarinsan Yakob, Miss PNI India, Ïakhun Final Kepala Long, Goa Dangshen, Kala Pynshlur Kynthei Nakajala Meghalaya, Bakin Ïakhun Hakanikarinsan Yakob, Kanang Bakindubla Ban Penpau, Yala Kajong Kasap, Kapong Bakidon. Kasamla Riya Suting, Kala Pynshlur Kisamla Kynthei, Jekaran Barkila Patai Kubor Shillong Press Club, Hadin Bakala Wan Pa Shillong Hakar Punritrik Unailur Arjar Pusan, Hakabala Pedang Subha Yaka, Daki Bahayang Hasem, Bat Kiparlok Kibawan Kanang Najan Ban Najangai.
Sitting in front of you is Riya. Nakaliang juri hungkaying gasem, Nibin Pao Jing Sung Hamtam Niki Media Bro, Yaka print and electronic media Nadu Kasi Baningkong. Pi la Ïakhun Yakaying gasem juni hibaro away, Pi la Ïakhun da kaba pi pelaj ki kubor pi pen itu be ini kmat nakani gejala juni panelection menta ha kapi anai Al-Hajar Arpusan atau Arpusan kaba along Hagoa kaba lasdang nadu ka kanyo terik kaba put hadu kasi arpui terik jong tau benah ti midon hangim menta Riya Suting ipada inongjok ya kani kapi anai Arpusan insa IAP ya ki jingtip ki baba bnia halo jong kani jingjok kajuni.
It's a complete honor for me to be representing my state at the national platform, and what is even more wonderful is we got to win the main title, that is the Miss PNI 2025. So the entire Northeast and the Meghalaya Nitam Mangahi contestant Manishaji, they done Kiwi contestant Kiwi state in India, Vanilla contest. So it was a 9 days of pageant organized by Malik Isani, and we got to compete, and it was a very professional training. Niladan kinki professionals bagi lawan naki communication field, naki ethics field, Isabella Menon Grand Miss International 2022 lawan training nima. And then we had a thorough competition from prelims to introduction round, and then the finale PCLIO ini hapo YouTube na Ïakhun naka support jo PCL nalasmo and then finally nalayo kumagaya kachinjo yaka kursuting joni yaka family jona and then yaka stage joni then nakwaban I could be fibaro bafili Ïakhun na rosni ko, and I wish you support me more in days to come. So Pinya Prakhalpani Kanika Miss PNI Kalam, like it's not conventional. You might have seen some contestants that they don't look conventional. When I say conventional, that means they don't look of a certain height and a certain figure. The main reason why it gives me courage to participate in Miss PNI is because it is an inclusive platform. When I say inclusive, it means it celebrates women in every shape, form, and diversity. So I'm proudly saying that my co-contestants, there was a transgender who was a co-contestant, there was a married woman who was a co-contestant, plus size, short height. Otherwise, a girl of my age who is just 5'2" and 31, I would hardly have any platform to go and compete. And this PNI India, they did not see any background where I come from. They just purely celebrated me as who I am. And then I was announced the winner on the merit list. So a big thank you to everyone who have been a part of my journey, my friend here, my family, and everyone who have been a part of this journey. My special thank you to my collaborators, Kong Piani, for this beautiful attire, Kong Mary from MJ Boutique, Nanta Kishupun ki designers Bakila collaborate Banama, Christina Monica from Bangalore, and also Hui from HM Fashion. So thank you so much for all the love and support. My heart is filled with gratitude. And I hope in days to come we see more participants from Meghalaya and also from Northeast. May we see more winners coming forward and winning the main crown and the main sash and bringing pride to our state and to our people.
To spread awareness and let the public decide what they want to do. I am not here to say you turn vegan, you
be vegetarian. No, that's not my goal. My goal is here to spread awareness and let you as an individual, as an independent, educated individual, decide what you want to do. And for girls and women, powerful women watching me, whoever will be watching me, please dare to dream. Your dream is only your responsibility. It's okay if you are 5 feet, it's okay if you're just 4 feet, it's okay if you look in a certain way. PNI India 2025 and PNI India in general is here to celebrate you, and it is here to just embrace you the way you are, just like the way it did to me. Malik Isani, you have brought in a huge change in the pageantry world, and a huge thank you to you from Meghalaya and the entire Northeast. Kuble, Kuble, Kuble Shibon. And I can't wait to see more participation in years and days to come. May a lot of Northeast girls, may a lot of Shillong girls win and come back home with the main crown and make the state and the entire region proud.
Thì đây là trong lúc cùng cái gì cái sớm phần bao của chúng Kublai yaki media ki banado basadang mo suawin le bini simenta kila pan pin pau yi saba no bakin publicity ki baki baki priyo kin itu te dei hadu katu sengi ru ba ijab ru lekin sange kani kejing ya rap kejing kersian jungki na lenda ka penlong ru yang i priyo banani na posulong na north east bangin tip sepang jugi ngintip sepang kani ka competition kembali lah debatai bahkan ni competition ke campaign ni kibai pa hendrai ni mai kani ka competition kalong ba ki pediang lut ya baro ki long kemi ki samla ki bawan hakadur ka ba kunur ki pediang lut ki campaign ni kibi contest ya competition ki bagi juli punya simenta tinggi ru punna kalian kayeng kesem ni ai kata kajing kersian met pan mensiam ye
Pin riu squat ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khasi các tiên là dòng ai kan roi kan pa ngidon ki kan tiên là dòng belai pat puri bat penduk ya la các tiên là dòng kum kan nuksa các kan tiên barikor kamut arts ha các tiên phareng các kan tiên lari tipat kamut culture kumta ya ka arts and culture ni yo da ka ktin khasi barikor bat lariti ki balong ru ki ktin ban ka teng khu barikor ka lariti lapen mi da ka pati CTV na ka menta ka jing mentoi upai ba